So today I'm gonna show you how to change your cabin air filter in your 2008 CRV, Honda CRV 2008. Because we want to be able to do this when there's no man around. And yeah, you can do it yourself. It's easy and straightforward. So here we go. So this is the glove box of your car, 2008 CRV. And on the side, make sure that it's empty inside. There's nothing in it. And then on the side, there is this latch. It's the latch here. So you have to push that down and you hear that big click. So that's the one there. And so it's a click to undo the latch. And on both sides, hold on both sides of the glove box like this, and then there is a latch also in that on that side, both sides here. So you want to push it like this and then slide down, and there it will open up the space where where the airflow, it says airflow right there. And so there are also latch on both sides here and over here. So all you need to do is press both sides, and you will see that there are two knobs there, and you will press them both and towards the middle, and it will release the filter out. So you just have to slide it out, and there you go. So all you got to do, see, this is very dirty. So all you got to do is make sure that there is no debris inside this compartment. So now take your remove this filter. You have to remove this filter out of here, pushing it from the back like this, and then out it comes. And so we have to take our new one and slide it in. So this comes only in one orientation, so it doesn't go this way. Doesn't go this way because it won't fit. So it will only go in one way, like this. Like this. So just slide it down and make sure it's all snug inside. And so to put it back is the same way as you remove it. So first thing is slide it in. Let's see. Slide it in until you hear that click. There you go. And so there it goes. And then your box, you have to lift it up, and then you will hear that click as well, like that. So now you will also go to this latch here and hook it up until you hear that click, same way as when you removed it. There you go, and you're all done. So it's easy, and when there are no men around, then you can do it. So I hope you like this video. Do it yourself. And thank you very much for watching.